In this tutorial, we are going to see how to start your day, make a sale, correct a mistake if needed, and then properly close your cash register in a simple and smooth way. You are now on the login screen. Each employee works with their own session. To begin, tap on Open the Cash Register and enter the amount of your opening cash float. Validate, then enter your username and password. The session starts and you arrive on the main sales screen. On this screen, the menu is located on the left. To open it, swipe from left to right. Depending on the tablet, this can be done with one finger or sometimes with two. Then close the menu to return to the sales screen. To take an order, simply tap on the items. For this example, we are going to add one shell at 200 Vatu, then one Coke. The items automatically appear in the order list. Some items display a plus symbol, like the shell with the plus. This means it is a free price item. For example, here there is no shell price above 500 Vatu. We are going to create a shell at 800 Vatu. Tap on the shell with the plus, enter the free price 800 Vatu, then validate. The item is added to the order. As long as the order has not been paid, you can easily correct it. Select the line concerned in the order list, then delete it before continuing. When the order is ready, tap on Validate. You arrive on the payment screen. Let's take a moment to explain the buttons. The Pay button is used for a simple and immediate payment in cash. The Pay with Change button is also used for cash payments. You enter the amount given by the customer, and the application automatically calculates the change to give back. The Other Payment button is used to register other payment methods, such as card, check, or bank transfer. The Customer Account button allows you to put the sale on a customer account, also called a tab. The Free button is used to register a free item if you are authorized to do so. Finally, the red cross allows you to cancel and go back. For this order, we are going to charge it to a customer account. Tap on Customer Account. Select the customer concerned, then validate. The sale is recorded and automatically deducted from the customer's account. Please note that the Customer Account button is also available directly from the sales screen using a shortcut. If a mistake is detected after payment, the correction is done from the history. Open the left menu, tap on the cart icon to access the sales list, select the sale concerned, then tap on Cancel Line. The sale is canceled, and if it was on a customer account, the customer is automatically credited back. At the end of your shift, open the left menu again. At the bottom, tap on the user icon to log out. You return to the main screen. Tap on Close the Cash Register. Enter the actual amount of cash in the register, then validate. The day is finished. The cash register is closed. All sales are recorded. You can now go and rest.